100 recipe videos and counting. Hello and welcome to Majeed's Kitchen. In this video, a quick summary of recipes we have covered. Check out these Thai spicy chicken meatballs and these crispy lemongrass and pandan leaf wings. How about a refreshing mung bean noodle salad for those hot summer days? Tom Kha Gai, a delicious coconut soup. Spicy potato samosas and cola barbecue wings. Moving on to some of the main dishes. Miso salmon, no oven required here. How about a crispy egg salad? You love a steak sandwich? Then try these recipes. 2 Portuguese prego steak rolls. Beef and pasta Thai style. Ever tried that? Who doesn't love a lamb burger? Even better in fresh pita bread. Hong Kong style crispy noodles and a hearty oxtail stew for those winter nights. Now for some delicious vegetarian recipe ideas. Simple and delicious coconut roti, plain or with vegetables. So there's many ways to enjoy bok choy, but here are 2 recipes for you. Mango and fennel salad, quinoa risotto with pumpkin and asparagus, and couscous made easy, and a superfood, sautéed moringa leaves, drumsticks in coconut milk, Italian eggplant caponata, shishito pepper tempura with a savory cream cheese filling. A big thank you to all who have subscribed, and if you haven't hit that button, smash it right now. It will definitely help the channel. Tom yum fried rice. Customize it the way you like it. Shrimps add heat to your body, but moringa leaves cools it. What would you choose? A Thai beef salad or cashew nut chicken? Remember, most savory food recipes are a guideline. You can customize it the way you like. And now for some of the condiments and side dishes, like this Thai chili paste, cucumber kimchi, making your own chili sauce, tzatziki with a twist, tomato jam, coriander chutney, peanut chutney, and more. And we'll conclude this video with some sweet treats, simple and delicious desserts, mango and pandan coconut jellies, mochichu coconut crepes, Thai fried bananas nice and crispy, a black sesame dumplings in ginger tea, faluda 2 ways, mango faluda, grilled pineapple with lemongrass and kaffir lime syrup, your royal faluda, Berry Fool's dessert, chocolate mousse, and Singapore cookies. If you haven't subscribed, I hope this will inspire you to do so. To all my subscribers, thanks again. There are more videos to follow. Thanks for watching. Majeed's Kitchen. Until next time, take care.